Ano man naramdaman mo pag mag-hiccups ka? Walang masakit? Walang masakit? Hindi masakit? Ang paghinga mo, ka nahirapan huminga. Pagkatapos mong magganyan, deep breathing mo. Amber, can you please turn on the light? Turn on the light. Thank you.
Is there food now?
You ask the cook.
Is there food? Oh wait, I forgot.
Tsaka dapat maano rin niya, kaya sabi mo parang ubuhin ka. Yun. Ha? Eh, ano mo rin sa kanya ba? Sabi mo parang ubuhin ka.
Oh good, now.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Me eating fried.
Pray mo nga si Abelo. Lagyan mo nga siya ng holy water.
Okay, hold on. I have to study first.
Oo. Lagyan mo siya ng holy water.
How to do it though?
Sige na.
Catholic.
You're not a Catholic?
Yes. I am Muslim.
Puto ka. No?
No, I'm actually not kidding. I'm Muslim. I am Muslim.
Sige pa.
I
Some
am
more,
forbidden
some more.
to eat pork.
Some more. Some more. Some more.
Tika na.
Yan, tama. Some more. Some more.
Where?
Here, here, hands, feet.
Oh. PTW, I'm not Christian though, because I'm Catholic. Tika na.
Sa paa pa.
Ayoko.
Kaya pa.
Something touched my ano. I think it was ano. Something.
Sige na tayo mag-pray ka.
Okay.
Okay, off mo na yan. Kaya dapat relax. Huwag kang magpa-stress. Kakaano yan.